Okay, so here's nesting in Premiere. The main reasons you might want to do that is if you have these clips on top of each other, you want to minimize it a little bit. You right click, go to nest, and press OK, which creates the nest sequence here. So just a regular sequence with those clips in it, but in your main sequence, it'll just show up as this one clip. The other reason that you might want to nest is if you have this clip here which is sped up to 110% and you want to add, let's say, a warp stabilizer onto it. It won't let you do that because you cannot use them on the same clip in Premiere. So if we undo that and then we nest it, which I have a keyboard shortcut for that, that creates this nest, and then you are now able to add the warp stabilizer onto it. And those are the main reasons why you may want to nest and how you do it.